say it's easy to let go when the hands of time won't slow. Every breath is borrowed fire. We burn till the ashes know. We grow into our elders' bones, carry the same old pain they've sown. The mirror stares with quiet rage, a ghost reborn, a name engraved. The seeds we plant will fade away, but roots remember where we lay. We are forced by nature, dragged through the light and dark, destined to die with the weight of our pride. While history leaves its mark, there's no democracy in death, just the echo of a fallen breath. Our sons and daughters cry the same, recreating the wars we never tame. We'll raise our fists to broken skies, promise peace but live in lies. We crown ourselves with faith and greed, call it freedom while we bleed. No rebirth, no clean slate, just time repeating fate. Every soul just chasing flame, forgetting who we were by name. The sins we hide are carved in stone, no one escapes the undertow. We are forced by nature, dragged through the light and dark, destined to die with the weight of our pride. While history leaves its mark, there's no democracy in death, just the echo of a fallen breath. Our sons and daughters cry the same, recreating the wars we never tamed. Well, when the silence comes for me, I'll face the dirt, I'll face the sea. No crown, no cross can make me stay. We all return to clay. The rivers run, the earth reclaims every king and every slave the same. We only live to learn too late that life is mercy, death is fate. We are forced by nature, born to rise and fall again. In the garden of creation's curse, we die as echoes of our men. There's no tomorrow in the flame, just ashes whispering our name. And through it all the truth remains.